don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be getting into Supreme Week 5 at this point, if I'm not mistaken. We are going to be talking about the Timberland collaboration that's going to be coming out this week, the Oreos, which are supposed to come out this week as well. We have a couple drop list items that I do want to talk about, and there's actually a bunch of other sneaker news that I want to talk about. Not too much, but I do want to make this video at least a little bit entertaining for you guys. If you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're gonna start this list all the way from the bottom with these dookie ass Timberlands that are gonna be coming out. These are like some hiker Timberlands that are actually low. I don't know if I'm a fan of these at all. These are actually kind of Duke-a-Luke if you ask me. I feel like these colorways, they're alright. It's the typical Timberland colorways that they always do in these collaborations. But the boots in itself, bro, they are ass. Like, I feel like you have to be super hipster or some shit like that in order to pull these off. So I understand why these are at the bottom of the list. Like, these shits are definitely not my vibe. I feel like somebody out there can pull these off in black. You gotta be wearing some shit, bro. Like some shit from Europe to wear these Timberlands right here. These shits are ass if you ask me. Definitely a pass. These shits have 2,200 dislikes and 200 likes. I'm gonna just leave that there for y'all. We do have these Jaguar logo denim shirt. I feel like this shit is also ass. I gotta see how the branding is on it, bruh. This shit is ass. The only person I could see wearing this is like a biker from Texas or Tennessee. No, bruh. Like, I wouldn't even buy this as a last resort item. It's just not my cup of tea. But next up, we do have this Timberland Six Panel Hat. I feel like this season they've been doing a lot of six panels, which is actually pretty cool. If you guys don't know, six panels are basically like the dad hat, and it's that curved brim. It does have the Supreme with the Timberland logo. Then under it says earth, wind, fire, and air or something like that. Wind, water, earth, and sky. Hey, I feel like some of these colors are actually pretty cool with that mustard color. That navy color is I definitely am a fan of the olive color more than the other ones. But as far as this hat goes, I feel like this is a last resort if I can't buy anything else this week, which I'm probably just gonna leave it off at the accessory coming off this week. That's all I really need, to be honest. But next up, we do have this back logo sweater. This one doesn't have anything on the front. Then you have that Supreme blasted across the shoulders on the back side of the shirt. I feel like if this had a little box logo on the front or just some type of branding on the front, it definitely would have done better by me. But hey, who am I to say this isn't cool? You got that checkerboard logo. Like, it's like this checkered. Too much, bro. Too much. I just wish it had some type of branding on the front, a little Supreme, a little box logo, just something for me to know that, hey, that shit is Supreme. This shit is not gonna have resell by any means. If there's any piece from this collaboration to have resell, it would be this crew neck right here. We have this olive colorway, which is honestly my favorite. It's like a diarrhea dookie green type color, but it is pretty clean if you ask me. We have the cream color, which is also fire. I feel like if one of these colors was to do best in resell, it would be the cream color, because it's cream, it has a little bit of red and black. That color is actually fire. This collaboration kind of reminds me of the Nike collab they did like 2 to 3 seasons ago, but this definitely is more toned down, more concise. It has less pieces, but the pieces are not that bad. And definitely my favorite one from the entire collab would be this crew neck right here. I feel like none of these colorways are a miss. All of them have their own little flair to it. Even the red one is pretty clean. And honestly, bro, if the price is not too steep, I might end up saying let's grab this shit. But next up, we do have the Supreme Oreos coming out for this week. Shit is nuts. These are gonna come out in a pack of 3 Oreos, but you will be able to buy more than one pack. I'm honestly trying to rack up on as many as possible, because I feel like down the line, even though these will expire, people probably gonna eat them expired. Like, these shits are cool. It's just a simple Supreme logo on the front of the cookie. I hope this shit is not red velvet, because I'm not a fan of red velvet cookies, but these shits are fire. They look double stuffed as well. I'm trying to see what's the vibe on these right here. But if you guys are trying to cop Supreme this week and make it easier on yourself, I would definitely say go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are the fastest iOS bot, and they actually just made an update that should allow you to cop even quicker. I feel like when it comes to me buying Supreme, I've been overloading the Addict.io bot. Like last week, I had like 20 tasks and my shit just didn't work. But if you are interested, make sure you use my promo code, which is Astro. I'm gonna put it right here. You will get 10% off, but hey, that's neither here nor there. The Supreme Oreos are super fire. I would definitely say go for these, whether it's for resale or for the personal. I'm saying buy Oreos for the personal. Shit is tactical, bruh. But we are having Oreos come out this week. That is everything we have for Supreme so far. I'm gonna talk about a couple more pieces that don't have to do with Supreme. Actually, one of them do, and I feel like it's this Bling hoodie, the shorts, and the towel. Those possibly will be dropping this week or next week, so I just wanted to throw that in the realm of possibilities. We might be seeing these Bling shorts, which are actually not that bad. I'm a fan of that red colorway. I feel like it's a little bit more toned down than the green one, but these are pretty fire. The retail would be $118, which is kind of steep, not gonna lie. The towel is pretty clean as well, but I just wanted to let y'all know that that can be dropping this week. It's not a guarantee, but it's possible. We also do have this Supreme Richardson collaboration that might be coming out, but the one issue for this piece is that it might just be Japan only, which is kind of ass. I actually am a fan of this piece right here. It's like this girl laying down with a dog. It has the Supreme box logo on the bottom. It says Richardson on the top. I just feel like this shit is fire. It kind of reminds me of the Blessed collaboration, which I do have back there. I still haven't opened that t-shirt. It's literally just sitting back there, but this kind of does remind me of that because it's like a one-off tee. I do feel like it's fire, and I want to know your opinions on this. But next up, we do have these Jordan 1s, which are the court purple. These are set to release on April 4th, and it's pretty much the same purple Jordan 1s like in the Chicago style of Jordan 1, where it has the all over colors, then it has the black swoosh and the white paneling. I feel like these are clean. They're gonna sell out hands down. Jordan 1s always do, but it's nothing over the top. I would honestly prefer the pine greens and the other purple ones that had like the black on it. I just like those way better, but these aren't bad nonetheless. These are gonna have resale. I can almost guarantee that. Right here, we do have these Alva Yeezy 700 V3s. These are probably better than the original colorway. I am a fan of these, and I want to know if these actually glow in the dark, because that would be so clean in my opinion. These are rumored to release on April 11th. With all of this coronavirus shit, I don't know if this is actually gonna happen, but I do have a feeling that they would release on April 11th. These are fire, bro. Honestly, if I have the chance to go for these, I would definitely do it. One thing that I must say about Yeezy 700s is the fact that they did lower the retail from $300 to $220, making it more affordable for the average consumer, because honestly, bro, $300 is steep to pay for retail on a sneaker. I honestly appreciate the fact that they brought that shit down. I feel like it's because they use less materials, but this sneaker right here is definitely a vibe. I can see it having a lot of resale, considering that there hasn't been a lot of 700 V3 releases. I believe this is the second colorway. They did the OG, and then they're doing the black, which is typically how they started off. This is fire. I'm gonna try to go for these if my pockets aren't burned up. Those are fire. On July 11th, we are gonna be seeing the watered down Union Jordan 1. These are like a all over gray with like white and black. Then it has like a red, I don't know how to call it, but like where the wings logo goes, that little part is red. That's it. I feel like this is a simple ass sneaker, and that's probably the reason I wouldn't go for it. It would be pretty cool if the gray was actually 3M, but it's literally called the light smoke colorway. It's just mainly gray with a little bit of red. Nothing too special, so I am gonna probably end up skipping on those. That's honestly pretty much it. I'm gonna talk about these Yeezy Quantum in the barium colorway. Nothing special, bro. These are okay. I'm not a huge fan of the Yeezy basketball sneakers, maybe because I don't play basketball, but these shits are kind of ass. I just feel like there's so many Yeezys out there that you could kind of pick and choose what you like. If I'm being honest, bro, I used to like when Yeezy was more limited, when Yeezy had like the 2 colorways for one sneaker, maybe 3, and that's it. Right now we got like 40 to 50 colorways of the Yeezy 350 V2s, and there's no stopping, bruh. We got the linens coming out. We got a whole bunch of other shit coming out that I don't even know the name of anymore. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you slap that like button, subscribe if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Make sure you let me know what your favorite piece that's gonna be releasing is. Them Oreos Oreos is type crazy, bro. The fact that they're coming out with something so simple that even made it on the news is just crazy to me. I feel like Supreme hype will never die. I feel like it might slow down, but it definitely won't die or plummet. But that pretty much does it. Like I said before, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel